Our company is family owned, so it's me and my father that's running it. We have mostly crushers, but we also have excavators on construction sites. We operate everywhere from Stockholm and south of that in Sweden. Our crusher is a Metso L330D and it's using a Volvo Penta D16 engine. The benefit from using the D16 engine, I have to say, the performance and the reliability of the engine. The service interval of the machine we feel is good. We can run it for 1,000 hours, but we choose to run it for 500 hours and then do service on it because it's messy environment. In the beginning, we had a bit of trouble because the support network wasn't really well built out, but we got in contact with Metso and Ematech that put us in the right direction, and we are very pleased with how things are going right now.